Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys. So everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all had a great weekend. So guys, today's video is going to be a video about me meal planning. Meal planning is something new that I'm trying, and I decided to try it this week, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. So basically this video is just going to be showing you guys some of the meals that I made for this week. And it's kind of like a cook with me video as well. So it's just going to be a bunch of cooking, and I'm just going to show you guys some of the meal ideas that I made as far as my breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. So guys, wish me luck. This is something new that I'm trying. That way when I wake up in the morning, I already know, Dionne, okay, this is what you're going to have for breakfast. This is what you're going to have for lunch or for a snack. And this is what you're going to have for dinner. That way I won't be trying to figure out what I want to eat or be in the mood for. So that's my new challenge for myself this week, is to meal plan. Wait a minute, hold on. What in the world? See, that's not even cute. Look at it. Okay, my chat partners. So this is my food list that I made for the week. My meal plan from Monday to Friday. And so as you can see, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is the breakfast section. This is lunch, snack, and this portion is going to be dinner. In here, I have for my important notes, I have that I'm going to drink 6 bottles of water, drink tea, exercise, and on Thursdays, I will be doing Zumba, but I'm going to fill in what other exercises I'm going to decide to do throughout the week. Also, what's important for me this week is going to be take my vitamins, journal, meditate, have time with God in prayer. And also, I put that I want to do 2 days outside, gym, and to wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, my chat partners, so I just wanted to cut the camera on really quickly for you guys. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is going to be some breakfast sausage that I just whipped up. And this is ground turkey and different seasonings. And I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. High protein for breakfast, and then some days it will be smoothies, and some days it will be fruit. I'm going to switch it up so I won't get burnt out or get tired of it. And here, guys, I have 2 pieces of chicken breast poaching, or I guess it's boiling, if that's what you want to call it. Okay, my chat partners, so one of the snacks that I'm going to have for this week, that I have on my meal plan for the week, is this popcorn, and it is the Skinny Pop popcorn. And I had some cleansed tea this morning, and that's the cup that I used that I had my tea in. And I didn't want to waste a bowl or a paper plate or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the popcorn into this coffee mug. Okay, and here's my cup of popcorn right here. It's good too, guys. I'm wasting it, but sorry for talking with my mouth full. But yeah, this is my snack for today. Well, one of my snacks on this particular day. Okay, my chat partners, so here are a couple of items that I'm going to have on my salad. I already rinsed off the spinach and the salad mix. So I have the boiled eggs peeled, and I cut up some cucumber and red onion. And I'm also going to add some avocado to the salad as well. So I just wanted to go ahead on and prep. So that way when it's time for me to eat and make the salads, everything is cut up and done. I also have these tomatoes here, flavor bombs. Okay, so now the tomatoes is added to the bowl, and I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator so it can stay cool. Guys, whenever you get produce, always make sure you wash your produce. Even the spinach and the bag lettuce, always wash it. Even though it says pre-wash, wash it, because I've gotten vegetables that was in a bag and I still washed it, and when I did, it was still a bug in there. So just heads up, just always wash your fresh vegetables. Fresh fruit too, as well. Here's the salad. I didn't record myself making it. I just wanted to get it done. And it's a lot, but it's a lot of fresh vegetables, so that's a good thing. So I layered it with the greens, which was the spinach and salad mix. Then I put red onion, cucumbers, tomato, and then I put some more salad mix. Then the red onion, cucumber, tomato, egg, avocado, feta cheese, and I added some wonton strips too. So yeah, it's going to be a big plate of salad for dinner tonight to fill us up. And I made 2. And these are the salad dressing choices that we have. The Hidden Valley Ranch, the French style dressing, the Goddess creamy tahini and lemon recipe.